Space. A crazy cosmic ocean full of unknowns and risks. We often looked at it as a scary place, a place that we don't understand yet, and that is true. It is a very big place. Space is infinite, it goes on, but it is also a magical universe that we live in. Take Earth for example, our pale blue world sitting in the vastness of space. Or take its neighbor, Mars, containing the largest shield volcano in our solar system, 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Travel another 588 million kilometers and you reach Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, with its 67 moons. 655 million kilometers later, you reach Saturn, the jewel of our solar system, with its beautiful rings, and its moon, Titan, with its thick and dense atmosphere and its liquid surface. And this is just one solar system out of billions in our galaxy alone. And there are billions of galaxies, so the possibilities are endless. Each one a new possibility for planets to form, a different way, a new way, for life to evolve. All of the possibilities are just endless. So yes, it is scary, it is unknown. But it's not only necessary for us to explore and expand and advance to space, it's necessary for our survival. Now why? Why is it necessary for our survival? Well, look at our population for example. We currently have 7.4 billion people on Earth right now. We can't even clothe, shelter, or give food to all of these people. By the year 2050 rolls around, we're supposed to have 10 billion people by that time. How are we supposed to do that for the extra people that we're going to be gaining by that time if we can't even do it for the people that we currently have? The resources that are going to be needed are insane. The energy sources that are going to be needed are insane. We're going to need a lot. And so that's why we have to look up to space, because if we try and use all of the resources that we have on Earth, we're going to deplete them. And that problem is going to continue to grow. The population is going to continue to grow. So that's why we need to expand to space. Why? Because we can mine in space. For example, asteroids. Asteroids contain trillions of dollars worth of precious metals and elements, minerals, everything that we can use. Not only that, does it have frozen water on it that we can use to filter, send down to Earth if we need water, or we can use it as rocket fuel. Also the moon, we can mine the moon. That's space mining right there. That is a crazy industry that we could create that would create an insane amount of jobs, has money, and will fix a lot of our problems. Because we're gonna need to build cities, space stations, and more. So that's why we need to space mine. Go over to the other part, we're gonna need to colonize space. For example, Mars. Mars is we're gonna need to colonize it, as well as the moon, as well as other moons in our solar system or planets. We can look at terraforming them and everything. We're gonna need to start expanding because all of our eggs are in just one basket here on Earth. What happens if a disease strikes or an asteroid hits Earth? What's gonna happen if the whole population's wiped out or a huge percentage of it's wiped out? That's gonna be a problem. So that's why we need to expand to space so we don't have all of our eggs in one basket. So humanity can survive, it has the best chance of survival. We're gonna need to continue to expand. Not only is it great for our expanding and everything and our need for our survival, this could give Earth and humanity its need, its purpose, its drive to keep moving forward and advancing and wanting to do more. Space provides that possibility, and the possibilities are endless. Can you imagine the technology and the advancements we will make if we make space travel a daily routine? It'll be crazy. It'll be on a level that we don't even understand currently right now. So yes, it is necessary and we do need it. And we have to start looking at it now before the problem gets too bad. Because if we wait till 2050 when we have these 10 billion people and then we try and start expanding, it's gonna be a lot more tricky. So that's why we gotta start right now. We gotta start putting these things into place so when that time comes around, we're not gonna struggle or be in a crisis. So the only way that this stuff is going to happen is if you and me do this. Go into engineering, become a scientist, to push humanity to do more, to want more, to become more than it is itself right now. To stop bickering, to stop doing pointless stuff and look at the stuff that really matters. Everything is around us, everything is happening. It's incredible. We live in this beautiful universe and we're sitting on Earth not making it happen. So we have to make it happen. There's so much to learn, so much to discover for ourselves, for the people around us, for the advancements of humanity. And the technology that will be brought into this will be crazy, because when we start advancing with space, that's all good. Not only is it going to advance space technology, it's also going to advance technology on Earth. New solutions are going to come to be. We are curious beings. We want to expand. We want to explore. We want to know what we don't know. So there are things out there that we don't know. So this is our opportunity, and it's endless. It's going to keep going. We can do this for millions of years if we want to. But we need to start now before we kill ourselves off. We don't want to kill ourselves off before we have the opportunity to go out there and see these things. So this is going to be a series. So the series is going to be talking about the solutions, the problems, and then finding a solution for them. And we're going to go up, up, up. We're going to find a solution to all of these things to make this stuff happen. So the first thing that we need to tackle would be leaving Earth's gravity, getting to space. This is Dalen Cooper, signing off.